How to fix unexpected client behavior Roblox. Start by making sure you're on your computer's main screen. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a search bar next to the Windows icon. Click on it. In the search bar, type CMD. You'll see an app called Command Prompt in the search results. Click on Run as Administrator from the menu that appears. You might need to confirm by clicking Yes on a pop-up. A black window will pop up. This is the command prompt. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and then press Enter on your keyboard. Now, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Once both commands have run successfully, close the command prompt window by clicking the X at the top right corner. Then, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, go back to the bottom left corner and click on the search bar again. This time, type Run and hit Enter. This will open a small box called the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box, type temp and click OK. When the folder opens, press Ctrl and on your keyboard at the same time to select all the files. Then, press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove these files. Go back to the search bar in the bottom left corner, type Run again, and press Enter. In the Run dialog box, type %temp% and click OK. Just like before, press Ctrl and on your keyboard to select all the files, and then press Delete. Confirm if prompted. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared out temporary files and reset network settings to fix unexpected client behavior in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.